you'll see here, this is a lawn that we showed you earlier that has been scarified much earlier in the year. It's taken a long time for some of the holes to take over. We've actually scratched out the holes in the past, put a bit of seed down, but it really hasn't taken. You can see the lawn is nice and green, and therefore it's had a reasonable amount of water to try and keep it growing. However, now at this late season in August, what we're going to suggest is that dew has now started to come in, and what we think will be better to do is to just hold hard on these areas. You can see, if I go down here, you can see they really are dry. There's a bit of weed there as well, isn't there? A couple of more areas here and here on this corner. I don't know why on the corner, it's a bit strange, but what we're going to do is it come late August, early September, you get heavy dews in the morning. If we scratch it, even if you don't water, you'll actually get a germination. So that's actually quite important. So that's what we're going to be doing. So they are. We're going to be overseeding, and I'll show you how we overseed a bit later on in the season. But this is heavy scarification that really hasn't actually sorted out the lawn completely for this season. But I tell you what, we'll get it right for next year.